I'm going to show you how to learn any skill by using artificial intelligence to accelerate your learning in just a matter of hours. It's crazy because you can use ChatGPT to do things like learn a new language, ask AI to increase your income, or even for personal growth. So after this video, you'll learn how to
be water, my friend.
It's insane, you guys. ChatGPT is literally an amazing tool for learning languages. For example, you can use this prompt to have AI teach you the foundations of a language, such as basic phrases, vocabulary, and even numbers. You can even go as far as practicing your speaking ability with ChatGPT. Honestly, it just blows my mind. Have a look. Konnichiwa.
こんにちは、元気ですか?
Genki desu.
それは良いですね。どのような日本語の練習をお手伝いできますか?
I'd also advise you to tell AI to limit it to 1 to 2 sentences, otherwise you'll be left with this.
それは素晴らしいですね。寿司は日本の代表的な料理の一つで。
You get the point. To get this extension, just type in voice control for ChatGPT, select the first option, and add to Chrome. And it doesn't just stop there. We can actually get AI to create a course for us. Let's say a 12-week course. It then helps you gradually build on your foundations, working week by week. And the best thing about this is you can actually get AI to expand on each week. For example, let's focus on grammar. And there you have it. This is one way of using ChatGPT to learn languages. Try to use these prompts and see how you go. This year has been such a big learning curve for me, particularly with finance. I found that I had a lot of expenses and didn't save as much as I wanted to. So I asked ChatGPT to make me a budgeting system, and the results will surprise you. They gave me such a detailed response. And if there's anything that I didn't understand, I could just ask ChatGPT and they'll delve right into it for me. For example, how do I distribute my income so that I save efficiently? And there you have it. It shows you the percentage breakdown of what should be put into what. For example, 50% to expenses, 20% to personal savings. You can even simplify things with the prompt, explain like I'm 5. Or you can ask AI to give you resources, whether it be through books, websites, or YouTube. In this particular area, my most favorite is the job searching skill. AI can actually help you with writing a cover letter based on the job advertisement. Just copy and paste the job advertisement under this prompt and you should get a cover letter fully written for you. I've definitely done this before and I can say that this has landed me a lot of interviews. And it doesn't stop there. AI can actually help you with interview questions. They can help formulate some interview questions based on the specific role, as well as helping you prepare for the interview. And don't worry, you can also ask AI to help you negotiate pay. AI can be a great tool for personal growth. Typically, it's hard to find a mentor due to expense or availability. That's why AI is perfect for this. You can simply type in "you're my mentor" and follow it up with whatever you want to work on. For example, let's try goal setting. And just wow, they just gave a whole lot of information for us to work with. We're definitely in good hands. Your mentor is available to you 24/7, so you can literally ask anything, such as I want to learn to jog to increase my mental toughness. And bang, the AI has you covered. Lastly, it can be difficult to maintain a habit of learning. That's why you need to be able to keep yourself accountable. AI can definitely help you with this, and I do recommend using this prompt, particularly if you want to accelerate your learning. You guys are already halfway there. Keep leveling up your skills with ChatGPT, and this will in turn be very beneficial if you want to start any business, get a raise, or even just to enrich your life. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.